Right then, passport check, sense of adventure, double check. We're Rena and Paul, and we're absolutely mad about exploring this incredible world of ours. From bustling city streets to hidden countryside gems, we're here to show you the real travel experience, warts and all. Whether you're after budget-friendly tips, cultural deep dives, or just fancy a good laugh at our travel blunders, you've come to the right place. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and join us on our latest adventure. This is Two Brits Travel, where every journey tells a story. Imagine a city where history whispers from ancient walls, where the vibrant pulse of the Caribbean beats through cobblestone streets. This is Cartagena, a place of pirates, conquistadors, and an undeniable rhythm that calls to your soul. Prepare to be captivated by a destination unlike any other. Cartagena de Indias, nestled on Colombia's sun-drenched Caribbean coast, is more than just a destination. It's a living, breathing UNESCO World Heritage Site, a vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of history and culture. Here, colonial charm meets an irresistible Latin flair. The atmosphere is electric, a constant hum of life. Cobblestone streets invite exploration, while rooftop bars offer breathtaking views. Every corner reveals a new story, a new sensation. Step back in time as you wander within the city walls, where every stone has a tale to tell. Cartagena's past is rich with tales of defense and resilience. It stood as a crucial port for the Spanish Empire. The formidable Castillo San Felipe de Barajas stands as a testament to its strength. This magnificent fortress protected the city from countless invaders. Exploring its tunnels and ramparts offers a profound connection to history. Beyond the history, Cartagena pulsates with an infectious cultural energy. Music fills the air, dance spills onto the streets, and the joy of life is palpable. It's a place where traditions are celebrated with passion. The heart of Cartagena beats strongest in Plaza de Bolívar. This historic square is a vibrant hub surrounded by grand colonial buildings. It's a perfect spot to soak in the city's essence. The iconic clock tower, or Puerta del Reloj, serves as a majestic gateway to the walled city. It's a symbol of Cartagena, welcoming all who pass beneath its arch. This landmark is a must-see for any visitor. For an escape to paradise, a day trip to the Rosario Islands is essential. Discover turquoise waters and pristine white sand beaches. These idyllic islands offer a refreshing contrast to the city's bustling energy. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Cartagena holds countless secrets. Wander through the labyrinthine back streets to uncover its true character. Each alleyway promises a new discovery. Local markets burst with an explosion of colour and flavour. Engage with vendors, sample exotic fruits, and experience the authentic daily life of Cartagena. These markets are a feast for the senses. Seek out the city's atmospheric finds, like hidden courtyards adorned with lush plants and tranquil fountains. These secret oases offer a moment of peace amidst the vibrant chaos. They are perfect for quiet reflection. Cartagena is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. Indulge in the freshest seafood caught daily from the Caribbean Sea. The flavors are vibrant, reflecting the region's rich bounty. Don't miss the chance to savor delicious arepas, a staple of Colombian cuisine. These versatile corn cakes are filled with an array of savory ingredients. They offer a taste of local comfort food. As the sun begins its descent, find a spot to enjoy expertly crafted cocktails. Sip on refreshing drinks while watching the sky transform into a canvas of fiery hues. It's the perfect end to a perfect day. Each neighborhood in Cartagena offers a distinct experience. The walled city exudes colonial elegance with its historic buildings and charming plazas. It's ideal for those seeking a classic upscale stay. Gethsemane, just outside the walls, is a vibrant hub of street art and bohemian charm. Its lively squares and colourful murals create an energetic atmosphere. This area is perfect for culture seekers and night owls. For a modern beach experience, Boca Grande offers high-rise hotels and sandy shores. It provides a different side of Cartagena, with contemporary amenities and ocean views. This neighborhood caters to those seeking relaxation and convenience. Cartagena is a destination that truly caters to every budget. Whether you're a luxury traveler or a backpacker, you'll find options to suit your needs. It's an accessible city for all. Street food is incredibly inexpensive and utterly delicious. Enjoy local delicacies without breaking the bank. This is a fantastic way to experience authentic flavors on a budget. Local transport, such as taxis, is generally affordable and efficient. Getting around the city won't strain your wallet. This makes exploring all corners of Cartagena easy and economical. Accommodation options range from luxurious boutique hotels to charming guest houses and hostels. You can find comfortable stays at various price points. Cartagena ensures a good night's sleep for every traveler. The best way to explore the historic streets of the walled city is on foot. Walking allows you to discover hidden details and soak in the atmosphere. Every turn reveals a new delight. For longer distances or when you need a quick ride, taxis are readily available. They offer a convenient way to navigate between neighborhoods. Always confirm the fare before starting your journey. Accessing the beautiful islands nearby requires boat trips. Numerous tours and private boats depart regularly from the city's docks. These excursions are an integral part of the Cartagena experience. The optimal time to visit Cartagena is during the dry season, which runs from December to April. During these months, you'll enjoy sunny skies and comfortable temperatures. It's perfect for exploring and relaxing. However, Cartagena holds a year-round appeal. Its vibrant calendar of festivals and events enhances the atmosphere at any time. There's always something exciting happening in this dynamic city. Even outside the dry season, the city's charm remains undeniable. The occasional rain showers often pass quickly, leaving behind a refreshed and vibrant landscape. Cartagena is always ready to welcome you. Cartagena has seen significant safety enhancements in recent years, making it a welcoming destination for tourists. The city has invested in improving visitor experiences. You can explore with greater peace of mind. As with any travel destination, it's always wise to stay aware of your surroundings. Be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded areas. A little caution goes a long way. When enjoying the city at night, stick to well-lit and populated areas. This simple precaution ensures a safer and more enjoyable evening. Cartagena's nightlife is best experienced responsibly. Cartagena is an absolute photographer's dream, a canvas of vibrant colors and stunning architecture. Every street corner offers a picturesque scene. You'll find endless opportunities for breathtaking shots. Capture the iconic shots of flower-draped balconies, colorful colonial facades, and bustling plazas. These images perfectly encapsulate the city's unique charm. Your camera will love Cartagena. From the majestic city walls at sunset to the lively street performers, every moment is a potential masterpiece. Create memorable moments and capture the essence of this incredible city. Your photos will tell a story. Embrace responsible tourism by supporting local businesses and artisans. Purchase handmade crafts and dine at family-run restaurants. Your choices directly benefit the community. Help reduce your environmental impact by minimizing plastic use. Carry a reusable water bottle and decline single-use plastics whenever possible. Small actions make a big difference. Respect the local environment and cultural heritage. Leave no trace and be mindful of historical sites. By traveling sustainably, you help preserve Cartagena's beauty for future generations. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over ancient walls, Cartagena transforms once more. The city lights begin to twinkle, mirroring the stars above. It's a moment of pure magic. Here, history, culture, and the indomitable Caribbean spirit collide in a symphony of color and sound. Cartagena is more than a place. It's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. It's a city that truly lives. So pack your bags, open your heart, and prepare to discover your own Caribbean dream. Cartagena awaits, ready to enchant you with its timeless beauty and vibrant soul. Your adventure starts now. Well, then, that's another adventure in the books. We hope you've enjoyed coming along with us on this journey. Before you dash off to plan your own trip, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. It honestly makes such a difference to us. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest adventures. We're always off somewhere exciting, it's completely free and it really helps us out. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the world's a lot smaller than you think. Cheerio from Two Brits Travel.